Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make these loaded oat and currant cookies. Starting off, you're going to want 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cooking oil, 1/3 of a cup of homemade applesauce, 1 cup of raisins or sultanas or currants, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla paste. Now I'm adding in all of the dry ingredients. This is a very easy recipe, folks. And just giving them an initial stir, make sure they're well combined. Next, going in with the wet. I've given them a tiny stir, and I'm also kneading them a little bit with my hands.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds.
All I'm doing now, very simple. I'm just rolling them into little balls, placing them on parchment paper. I'm going to stick those in the oven on 180 degrees C for about 30 to 40 minutes. You can see I'm flattening them out a little bit, and there you go. Stick them in and look how beautiful they come out. I want to give a massive shout out to Riley on TikTok for sending me his recipe for these. These were addictive. I think I finished them all in a day, and I believe you will do the same. Ciao for now. Have a good one. See you on the next one.